Hello everyone and welcome to Jen Joy Crafts. I hope you enjoy this new video. Today we're going to be making a floral hat, and this is a hat that makes me think of a tea party or the Kentucky Derby, and it's so easy to make and so fun to make. Years ago I made several of these hats and for some friends, and I really enjoyed making them. You're gonna, of course, need some artificial flowers and different types of embellishments, which I'll show you as we go along. Now, the hat that I purchased came from the Dollar Tree, and it was $1.25. These hats usually come out around Easter time and the springtime, and this is exactly how it came. It already had this, this pretty blue sheer ribbon on it. It usually comes in different colors, and I'm going to be using this hat today. A lot of times I will go ahead and take off the actual ribbon that it comes with on the hat, and I'll put like a different ribbon on it and some embellishments on it, like I did with this hat that I made. This was one I made for myself, and here are the flowers on the side, and you can see the tails of the ribbon. And I wear this to where the flowers are on the side of my head, like over one of my ears. So I'll wear it like that is how I wear the hats. So again, with this particular hat that I'm making today, I am going to just use this sheer blue ribbon because I'm going to be using white, yellow, and some blue flowers. Most of these flowers came from the Dollar Tree. This one is the biggest one I'll be using, and this one is one I had left over from a craft project. I think this one originally came from Hobby Lobby. So the first thing that you want to remember, or that I do, is I always start with a big flower, and then I'm gonna work around the big flower. So this is the largest flower that I'll be using, and so I'll be hot gluing it to the side of the hat, and then I'll be making the arrangement around this flower. But first I want to go ahead and decorate and spruce up the ribbon around this hat first. I'm probably going to wind up chopping or cutting this off rather, or making it shorter at least. And the bow on the hat right there, that'll be hidden, I think, with the flowers. I'm going to do the flowers on this side over here. So I'm going to turn the hat, and so this is what it looks like on the side. So this is my biggest flower, and so we're going to be putting it right there on the hat, right over the bow. So before I attach the flower on the side, I do want to put some embellishments on around the hat on the ribbon. And so I have this already in my craft stash. It's craft wire with flowers, and I found it in the his and her section at Hobby Lobby, which is their wedding section. And so this is really cute. It's just some wire with these little white flowers on it. And so this will be really easy to wrap around the hat. I'm going to start where the bow is, right here. So I turn the hat around, and I'm going to start right here. And since it's wire, it's going to be easy to wrap around the hat. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on one of the flowers right here, just to kind of get it to stay as I'm wrapping it around. So you can see I stuck the little flower right there, hot glued it, and my end is over here by the bow, because again, I'm going to cover the bow with the flowers. And so I'm just going to work my way around the hat, trying to stay in the middle and hot gluing some of the flowers in place, just so it'll make it easier for it to wrap around. I wrapped it all around the hat and attached it, and this is what it looks like. And going back to the hat that I showed you at the beginning of the video, I wanted to mention that the ribbon that I used on this hat was 1.5 inches in width. The ribbon that comes on the hat, the sheer ribbon, is about 1.25 inch. And this embellishment that I'm pointing out is called diamond wrap, and I get it from the floral section at Dollar Tree. And here I'm showing just another type of white lace ribbon that I could have wrapped around the hat. There's so many different ways you can embellish these hats with ribbon, flowers, and just all sorts of things. They're just so fun to make. Okay, so now I'm going to attach the big flower. So I'm cutting off the bottom part of it because I'm only going to need, I don't need that. I did end up cutting off the ribbon at the end of the hat, and then I'll be hot gluing the flower right over where I cut. Now I'm laying out the flowers that I'm going to be using around the yellow big flower. And here you can see all the flowers I'm going to use. I was able to cut them down the way that I wanted them to go on the hat. And you can see at first that I'm going to put these white flowers down. I next put on the yellow flower and glued that down, and as you can see, the blue flowers are completely different. The blue flowers I bought from the Dollar Tree were just terrible. They were smushed and I just couldn't get them fluffed and open. And I said before in one of my videos that the Dollar Tree flowers are just really hit or miss. A lot of times I do have to go buy better flowers at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but sometimes you can get some pretty good looking ones at the Dollar Tree. So I switched over to these blue flowers and I'm wrapping them because they were very tiny, and to make them more secure and kind of put them together. And I'll be making 2 of these. Now I'll be arranging all the flowers, and all the flowers will be hot glued to the hat. Now I'm going to add a cute butterfly to the hat. I found these in the jewelry section, and I'm going to cut off and bend the top part where the jewelry hole is. And this is a very thin metal, so I'm going to be able to bend the center of the butterfly to look like it just landed on the flowers. Here's a better view of the butterfly. And now I'm just going to figure out where I want to attach it on the hat. And I will be using hot glue to attach it. Here is the finished hat. I love how it turned out. I love these colors. I love butterflies, and I think it just came out so cute. And here is another hat that I made a while back that was all purple, and I just love this one as well. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. This way you'll get notified when I have new videos. Thanks so much, and I will see you on the next video.